Imagine this. You roll out of bed, grab your phone, and order a hot coffee. Instead of waiting 20, 30 minutes for a driver, a drone just buzzes over and drops it at your doorstep in what, 5 minutes? Sounds futuristic, right? Well, truth is, it's not science fiction anymore. Drone delivery is real. It's happening right now, and it could completely change the way we get packages. Today, we're breaking it down. The fascinating world of drone delivery systems. How they actually work, the crazy engineering inside these flying couriers, and of course, the big roadblocks that are keeping them from being everywhere already. So first, let's talk about the tech. Because these things, they're not just flying toys. We're talking advanced propulsion systems, high-precision sensors, AI navigation that can dodge trees, buildings, even birds mid-flight. Some drones don't even need to land. They'll hover, lower your package with a little winch system, or drop it down with a mini parachute. Simple, smart, efficient. Pretty genius, right? But here's the real magic. It's not just about the drone. It's the whole system behind it. Picture this. Massive automated warehouses, orders being packed by machines, loaded onto drones, and then launched straight into the sky. Each one follows a strict flight path, communicates in real time, and adapts to the weather. It's like an invisible highway up there. Thousands of tiny aircraft.
But, of course, it ain't all smooth flying. The biggest hurdle? Regulations. In the US, the FAA has some pretty strict rules about what drones can and can't do. Safety in the skies, privacy in your backyard, even the noise levels. And let's be real, not everybody is thrilled about buzzing robots overhead. Still, companies aren't slowing down. Amazon's Prime Air, Google's Wing, Zipline, they're all pushing the limits. And the tech just keeps getting better. Batteries that last longer, drones that can carry heavier loads, smarter AI that makes flights safer. And when you tie all that into the future of smart cities, yeah, it's less of an if and more of a when. So next time you're sitting around waiting for a delivery, just picture this. Instead of a knock at your door, you hear a gentle buzz in the sky. Your package flying down to you at the speed of the future.